Hello everybody and welcome back into Laguna, Niguel Hyundai. Today we are checking out some of the features in the rear row seat of the 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. So today we are viewing the SEL model. So you do have two vents back here to control the airflow, as well as two USB ports to charge up any of your devices. The difference between this model and the Limited is you're going to be able to control the fan speed and temperature of your own rear air AC system, as well as have two side shades for the mirrors or for the windows, so that way you can actually reduce some of the light on the inside. You have a lot of leg room in the back seats here, so you're on those comfortable rides. You have taller people; they're going to feel really cool. Also, not only that, you can recline your seats right here to get a nicer, more road trippy vibe. As well as in the center, you have the armrest with two cup holders. So another very amazing feature about this is the rear seats actually not only recline, but from that same button, if you press it and hold it, it'll actually fold down to give you a lot more cargo space in the back, especially if you're doing a lot of those heavy jobs. All right, everybody, thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Also, please make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and make sure those notifications are on.